Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Shruti and I am talk about the women empowerment. Women empowerment refer to making women powerful to make them capable deciding for themselves. Women have suffered a lot through the year at the hands of men. In earlier century, they were treated as almost non-existent, as if all the rights belonged to men, even something as basic as voting. As the time evolved, women realized their power, their own began the revolution for women empowerment. As women were not allowed to make decisions for them, women empowerment came in like as a breath of fresh air. It made them aware of their own places in society rather than depending on a man. It recognized the fact the thinking cannot simply work in someone's because of their gender. However, we still have a long way to go when we talk about the reason why we need it. Almost every country, no matter how progressive, have history of ill-treating women. In other words, women from all over the world have been the rebellious to reach the status they have today. While the Western countries are still making progress, third world countries like India still lag behind in women empowerment. In India, women empowerment is needed more than ever. India is amongst the countries which are not safe women. There are various reasons for this. Firstly, women in India are in danger of honor killing. Their family think it's right to take their lives in if they bring a shame to the reputation. Shame to reputation of their legacy. Moreover, the education and freedom scenario is very regressive here. Women are not allowed to pursue higher education. They are married off early. The men are still dominating women is some reason like this, like it's the woman's duty to work for him endless. They do not let them go out or have freedom of any kind. Now the second point, how to empower women. There are various ways in how one can empower women. The individuals and government must both come together to make it happen. Education for girls must be made compulsory so that women can become illiterate to make a life for themselves. Women must be given equal opportunity in every field, irrespective of gender. Breakover then must also be given equal pay. We can empower women by uh, uh, abolishing child marriage. Various programs must be held where they can be taught skill to fend for themselves in case they face financial crisis. Most importantly, the shame of divorce and abuse must be thrown out of the windows, and many women stay in abusive relationship because of fear of society. Parents must teach their daughters it is okay to come home divorced rather than in a cafe. At last, I told why need the women empowerment? Because women empowerment is all about making women both socially and financially independent. It is a progress. It is a process in which women make their own independent decision. When women are entitled to decide, it gives them a sense of empowerment and more than what. Thank you, everyone.